In this video, I am going to show you how to view your portfolio in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, go to the Invest section and open the Portfolio tab. This is your main hub for tracking all your investments in one place. Here, you'll see a consolidated view of both your linked brokerage accounts and any accounts managed directly within Origin. Inside the Portfolio tab, you can view your total investment balance, individual account values, and the assets you hold, such as stocks, ETFs, or other investments. This makes it easy to monitor performance and understand how your portfolio is structured. To get a complete view, make sure all your investment accounts are connected. You can do this by clicking the plus button, usually located at the top right of your dashboard. Then search for your brokerage and connect it using secure providers like Plaid, Finicity, or MX. Once everything is linked, your portfolio will automatically update and give you a full picture of your investments in real time. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.